See if I can cut through that big old thing. See, the other reason I'm doing this so I can wear heavy clothes. Briars are rough on you. So this is where I tried to pry it up. Pried it up enough that there's one big log off here. And so I'm going to go up here and try to get them out the middle. And see if we can't get some of this up. I don't know, it may be so frozen I can't dig it. We'll put the camera down and do some work and then I'll be back. I thought I could just hit those briars with a shovel and snap them in two, but they don't want to snap. So I'm going to go back to the house and get something to fight with these briars. These things get in your face and tear you up, man. So I'll go get the pruning shears and cut these puppies off at the base, push them off to the side. To get rid of the worst of them, so now I'm going to try to find a spot. I might be in luck. Look at that. There's already a gap under there. So if I could, that's giant. There's one giant ass dead. That was poison ivy, I think. I think that was a poison ivy vine one time. It's been dead a long time. I'm not too worried about it. I'm gonna get my shovel and dig under there. Make a platform for my jack. And see if I can jack that up. I just need to raise it an inch or so at this end. And see if I can cut this sucker up into usable pieces. I'm going to try to get it up as close to the end that I walked in it on. You can see that or not. But a little angle here, I don't know, the jack may just sink, we'll find out. Be great if I could do it without having to put a platform under there. I don't know how good the ground is here. Hear it? It's cracking. Something's crackling. Something's moving. So a little of it's the jack's going down and a little of it is actual progress. The jack's dumping up in the air, so look at it go. I must have went through the frost. Well, there's my setup. I got it sitting on a 2x10. Now we're moving it. Well, I got that end. I could cut that rotten end off and then start trimming it. And that would get some of the weight off. Not sure if I want to do that. I'm trying to decide. Well, might as well. Why not? Every 100 pounds will be easier. And I'll bring a 4x4 or something to stick under there. Temporarily hold it up till I get another bite on it. I'm thinking if I could get jacket right in here. Oh, did you see that? Ooh, that was scary. My jack just went right through that wood. That wood may all be rotten. I don't know. Well, we'll give it another try. Another reason not to get under it. Didn't think about a jack going through the wood. Oh, this may be just junk. Maybe it's rotten all the way back. I don't know. I'm going to try to cut it out in blocks. I don't know if I can do that, but we're going to try it. Anyway, I'm going to play it by ear. I'm going to try to run my saw. See, I made that slice. Try to slice into there. See if I can slice it all the way down. And then maybe come in from the end. I don't know. It's really too big for me to be dealing with, but I'm going to try to deal with it anyway. I want to get it out of here so something else can grow. Plus, if I can get this out of here, I can get that stump out. And then I can get to that other wood over there. It's a challenge. Well, I'm glad to get that big old thing cut up. I got it in small enough pieces now I can carry them over to the, roll them over to the splitter. Split them up and make fire out of them. See y'all later.